What up, y'all? It's your girl Taliah Jenee, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I have been out for a minute, but hear me out. I've just been working and taking care of these children, okay? But we're back in action because I do enjoy giving y'all content. It brings me joy, and I'm going back to things that bring me joy. So, welcome back. And there were like 3 meals on the countertop. We had Taco Bell one night. You see the bag is still there. I had cooked spaghetti and meatballs one night. You see the stuff is still on the stove. And we also had Wingstop one night, and it's still on the counter in that white container on the island. Those were wings. So yes, there are still 3 meals that are sitting on the counter. Those were 3 nights in a row. And nobody washed those dishes or threw the trash away. But, you know, that's life. It happens to the best of us. And it's okay because I'm cleaning it up now. I decided to make fajita bowls for dinner, and y'all, they were so good. 10 out of 10, recommend. Put them in your menu rotation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.